सरकार लोकांनी लोकां खातीर वेंचून दिल्लें आसता, मात गोंयचें सरकार गोंयकारांच्या विरोधान वावुरता. चिंबलच्या लोकांनी चिंबलान आय.टी. पार्क नाका म्हूण ग्रामसभेन थाराव पास केल्लो, मात गोंय सरकारान लोकांच्या विरोधान निर्णय घेवन चिंबल वाठारांत कशेय करून आय.टी. पार्क प्रकल्प उबारपाचें थारायलां. चिंबलाच्या लोकांचेर अन्याय जावपाक जायना म्हूण तांकां आतां गोंयांतल्या बिगर सरकारी संस्थांनी तेंको दिवपाक लागल्यात. सोमार दीस गोंय फावंडेशनाचो मुखेली क्लाउड आल्वारिसान चिंबलच्या लोकां बरोबर पणजेंत पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. सरकारान सगळ्यांक जांचो चिंबला जावपी आय.टी. पार्का कडेन संबंद येना तांकां आय.टी. पार्काची म्हायती दिली, मात जांकां आय.टी. पार्काचो त्रास जातलो त्या चिंबलाच्या लोकांक मात म्हायती दिवपा खातीर आफयना म्हूण क्लाउड आल्वारिसान खंत उक्तायल्या.
We are very keen on halting this construction of the IT park, and we are very upset that till today Mr. Rohan Kaunte has not invited the community of Chimbal for any PowerPoint demonstration. He has called everybody. He has called even the Sarpanch and one or two Panch members, and he has called people from Panji, and he has called people from everywhere. But the people of Chimbal who are opposed to the park, either he is too terrified of them, or he is not able to answer their questions, or he is worried that he will not be able to convince them of the IT park, need of the IT park. That is why he is completely avoiding any discussion with the community of Chimbal on the IT park. Now this I find very unusual, because today the trend in governance is to discuss with people. Even the corporates have corporate social responsibility. They have to discuss with the society. They have to look at the society. But here somebody is coming from the government and he wants to take over a big chunk of the village of Chimbal, and he wants to put an IT park, but he does not want to discuss. He does not want to show his white paper. He does not want to share any information about the IT park with the people from Chimbal. This we find very, very, very unusual. So either, as I said, he is afraid, or he is afraid he is not going to be able to convince us that this IT park is necessary. He does not have support of even all the computer associations from Goa for putting up this IT park. So we would like to know why he is still persisting. From the last week we have found again JCBs have come and they are clearing up some portions of the area. There have already been, I have myself seen 4 incidents of arson. 4 incidents of arson. In the latest one, more than 1 lakh square meters of vegetation has been burnt. Now, before the discussion of IT park, nobody in the last 1,000 years has put fire in that area. Nobody. But after the IT park, there have been 4 incidents of arson to destroy the area, to make it look less green, and to enable them to claim that this is not an area which is to be protected. It can be given over for IT park, etc.
गोय फावंडेशनाक दिसता हांगा आय.टी. पार्क जाल्यार कांयच फायदो ना. तशेंच ही जमीन आय.टी. पार्का खातीर सांबाळून दवरपाची ना. सरकाराक आय.टी. पार्क नाका म्हूण पत्र बरयलां. गोंय सरकारान वगीच नाका थंय पावल घालून लोकांचो वेळ पिड्ड्यार करचो न्ही, अशें क्लाउड आल्वारिस म्हणटा.
As an association, as Goa Foundation, we think that this is a very serious thing. We have written to the government that you cannot locate an IT park here, and we will take whatever action is required in terms of protecting the area from the green, from the forest point of view. But I am saying, I have come here today because these people, they are all Goans. They are all living here. They are original inhabitants. Many of them are tribal population. All they are asking is, Mr. Kaunte, please have a discussion with us. You sit there, we will sit here, and let us discuss what you want to do. Because you are saying that you are going to employ people from Chimbel. We will try and provide at least 2 people if possible who know computer to come and join the IT park. If you can find 5, we'll be very happy. So if you cannot find even 5 people in this Chimbel village to work in the IP park, then obviously you have to get them from outside. You may promise 80% jobs, but you are going to bring them from outside. So you are going to create one more slum there. It may be a better looking slum than the Chimbel slum, but like Indira Gandhi, a little bit better looking, better buildings and so on. But for us, this is a slum because it has got nothing to do with our life, with our village, with our festas, with our agriculture and with our environment. It has got nothing to do. It is just an artificial implant. You tried to put this implant in Dona Paula, it failed. You tried to put it in Sukur, you failed. Now you're putting it here and you will fail. So why do you want to waste the time of people? Honestly, have a discussion.
सरकारान IT पार्क चिंबल वाठारान उबारपा खातीर पिशेपण चालू केल्यान ती बंद करची, नाजाल्यार मुखार कायदेशीर सरकारा विरोधान आवाज करचो पडटलो अशें आल्वारिसान सांगलें.
It is our request as a group, all the NGOs today are united on Chimbel Park. There is no question that some people are not, in many issues there were but divisions, but in this matter all the NGOs are united. We will support the Chimbel Munch with every means. We will support it at every means at our disposal. We have fought and won several battles, not Goa Foundation, but so many people have won. The latest victories we have won in the Supreme Court, where we have got demolition of Hotel Silver Sands, and we have got a stay, unbelievable stay, on the construction of Mopa Airport itself. When compared to Mopa Airport, which is 80 lakh square meters, this is a very small project. So it is not going to be very difficult for us to stop it if the government doesn't stop its nonsense. The government must come. We are not saying we are against this and we are against that. We are saying you please come and talk to the people, give a time and fix a hall in Panjim, a big hall, where all the people from Chimbel can come, and you fix a time and you give us the PowerPoint presentation and you answer our questions. And if we say yes, we will support you. We will come and construct the IT park ourselves. But if we say no, then no, as it was that famous no means no, that Pink, that movie called Pink, no means no. You will not be allowed here. Whatever the consequences, we will fight, and we will fight till you go.